What's up, everyone? Today we're going to make farrotto with oyster mushrooms and broccoli rabe. For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients. I'm going to also list them in the description section below. Alright, let's start by adding your olive oil to a pan over medium-high heat, and once the oil's hot, go ahead and add your oyster mushrooms. Sauté your mushrooms until they catch some color and soften up a bit. Then it's time to remove them from the pan and reserve them for later on in the cooking process. And don't clean your pan. We want all that tasty goodness stuck to the bottom of it. It's called fond, and it's going to add a lot of flavor to your dish. Okay, next step. Go ahead and add olive oil back into the pan over medium-high heat. Then add your onion and your minced garlic. Sauté those items for a few minutes until they soften up, but don't burn your garlic. Then add your farrotto to the pan. Incorporate all of your ingredients together well, and then continue to cook for an additional few minutes while stirring constantly. The goal here is to slightly toast the farro. This is going to add some complexity and depth of flavor to your dish. Go ahead and add your wine to the pan and stir the mixture until all of it has evaporated and the pan is fairly dry. Now we'll begin adding our stock. Keep your chicken stock warm in a separate pot and add a little bit at a time into your farro. Now the farro is going to absorb this liquid and become tender. You're going to be stirring constantly through this process, and stir until that liquid has been mostly absorbed, and then add more stock into the pan. Do this over and over again until most of your stock has been used, and the farro is about 75% of the way there. You can check it by taking a bite. If the farro is starting to get soft on the inside, but still has some tooth on the outside, you're there. Add your broccoli rabe into the farrotto as well as the previously sautéed oyster mushrooms, and then stir everything to combine well. If your farrotto starts to tighten up too much, you can just use some of that leftover chicken stock to loosen it up. After cooking for an additional 3 to 5 minutes, your farrotto should look like this. Now it's time to add your grated cheese. I'm using Parmigiano, but you could use Grana Padano or Pecorino. Whatever you'd like. Just make sure that it's a hard cheese, not something soft like mozzarella. Add some butter to the pan and start to stir your farro a little bit more aggressively. This will help the farro release its starches, giving you that silky smooth texture that you're looking for. The final step. Season your farrotto with salt and pepper to taste, and then it's time to plate it up. Finish the dish off with some additional grated cheese and some thinly sliced chives. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Please hit the subscribe button and that alert button. You can stay up to date with my channel. It'll let you know when I post additional videos. Have a great day. Thanks so much.